What number are we going to now? 31. So, Auntie, this now, this admin that asked Mikey, so this, how does this work at parish? Oh, all right.
What I'm doing is that I use the program, and so I generate the program as if it was like parish finance. So what I do is just put the numbers beside the item, so it's easier to call.
All right, got you.
But you realize, though, you can go work with the program, and you're supposed to do it.
Oh, no, man.
No. You understand me?
So,
you can work with the program where each one follow the bound how it populates. Between one school,
yeah, we just press next and go to the other item.
Yeah, man. So,
it's about, everything can write the system.
No, Marina, that remember saying, if you have a phone new, we can against the green, farmer understood that, so farmer put in the system before, get everything in that order, so them come there just run.
Yeah, we just press next and just go to the next item.
It's easier for me. I think that's the first time I'm going to tell you what happens. It's easier for them.
What about the categories?
It no matter all of the categories, the change in the system already.
it's just good.
But we see the category now.
Yeah.
We can say, code number 3 should have been
Let's get to the next item.
Lindsay Wilson on stage, please.
Before.
Debbie.
Rain Club, please be on standby.
Biggie. Oh, sorry.
Please be on standby. And Ivani Walters, please be on standby as well.
Begin, please.
Mommy, no, I don't like nothing. I'm forced to. Sometimes they get too excited. Sometimes they get not. But I can say, beating me is great. I have never felt it. My God smiled upon me. And all the glories that surrounded my life. Glories of losing the love of my great love. But this love really does. You hide behind them. They create. True love knows no bounds. And the only way we need is to be who you are. Not only at that, they smile as if their quality to mountain ride. But most of all, they don't need for show. There is no second in life. I am the outspoken girl with my own thoughts. I am a singer with a beautiful voice. I am a scholar, aiming for everything I want. I love her because it makes me feel like true royalty.
Yeah.
All these things make me. I am nobody else. So step up and be exactly you. It's good to be different. Show them like you are a star. Thank you.
Next number, please. 27. Oh,
2770.
Aha. That was which one? 1 second, sweetheart.
2770.
2770. That's
Yeah.
Emmanuel also. Who is that?
You have the name right there? Khalida Johnson.
Oh, no. Okay.
Yeah, so
It's
we're
Khalida
seeing
now.
Khalida right now.
All right.
Tell her to go on stage. Settle down. Begin, please.
Manners turn 18 and gone through the door by Ann Wallace. No manners, not there again, for sure. Manners
and this is standard English poem.
It's a standard English poem and it's 2770.
This world has gone
Yeah.
mad. Them drunk set up and set fire like wild hog. Them must say please and thanks and more for them.
Hold on a sec.
Sorry, hold on a sec, sweetheart.
For them.
1 second, stop.
Are you Khalida Johnson? You have an item called My Valedictorian Speech?
That's the one we want to see now. Do you want to go off and collect yourself and come back?
Yeah, man.
Please do. So it's 2770, my valedictorian speech. No, that because she has 2 pieces. And clearly she's a lot more confident with the piece that she was with. That's what she was doing.
No, by right. Her name wasn't announced and no one told her what items were supposed
That
to be.
is true too. That's true. But intelligence and not the emotions that we're doing standard English. So we teach us that. So anyway, it's neither here nor there. It's neither here nor there. So we're ready for her now?
Ready for her.
Yes, my love. What can I do you for?
Some of the children, they are different.
I tell you,
Yes, so
right
they
now
do
we're
not know
doing
which
standard,
one.
but
So
right
you
now
you will say which one they have to do.
Oh.
No,
All right.
Yes, Miss Ilana. Miss Ilana.
Miss
Yeah?
Ilana.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So this one now, we're doing my valedictorian speech. Okay. Khalida, she name? No, man. No. Khalida? My valedictorian speech.
You want to give me the number? Let me send it to you because it's never not working now.
I'm calling in. I just need to send in for more that is on it. I need to send in like
Please begin.
My valedictorian speech on mindset for the future.
But I'll send it. I can send the text for you.
My fellow graduates, can you see yourself 5, 10, 15 years down the road? Have a mindset for the future and set this change the way you think and let's all succeed. Science, technology, engineering, art,
Praising God.
and
Very good.
realize your dreams. Sharpen up your intellect. Put laziness to rest. A mindset for the future can only be the best. You run things. Things do not run you. Just have a mindset for the future and remain true. True to who you are, a gigantic, precious star. Light up the world with your invention and with the art. Your primary years have come to an end. Have a mindset for the future.
Thank you.
you don't have any number.
Could you tell them that if we stop them, it's not because they're not doing well? Yeah.
Teachers and students, just a reminder that if the educator stop you while you're performing, it's not that you're not doing well, it's just that because you're at the audition round, is that they've seen enough to make an assessment of the performance. Okay? Tarantula of Biology Primary. You're next on stage with your item, I Am Me, followed by Emily Walters of George Henry Primary. Rise up and take your place.
Which school is it? The one you just gave me? The school you just gave me, which school is it? It's the one you wrote. Science and History? What's the name of the school?
Which one?
Come in. Come in.
She's moving.
4693 next.
43, 46, so?
4693.
93.
That was Mona. So the thing I have to do the time. Mona Perk. Not the judges, please. Mona Perk. Just specify. That was not for you.
Tell me the number again. Tell me that number again.
4693.
Thank you.
4693.
Biology Primary. I Am Me.
Ready for I Am Me?
I am, yes, we are.
Begin, please.
Thank you.
Emily Walters of George Henry Primary. Please be on standby.
What want to say about her? Singing her?
No. What is that? What is that? What is that?
Nina Thompson of George Henry Primary. Please be on standby as well. Rudolphina Benz.
What's the next one? Yeah, okay.
3026.
3026.
Ready?
3026.
Emily on stage, please. Thank you.
Rise up and take your place. Settle down, people. Someone is on stage. Thank you. Please begin.
earth age. The whole world changed. Water age. Rise up. Israel, you were destined by God. He has granted us permission.
Thank you very much.
Excellence comes not by force, but from realizing who you are and occupying your place in the world.
Thank you.
Tell the truth, I don't want the phone, no. And they are trying to put me in the view. When I reach you,
Okay, all right, no problem.
what number was down there?
That one.
Just finished. I am.
Okay.
Okay, you can see up at the top of the screen. Thank you. So that one will rise up and take it through. Sure. So whatever you say now, go with now. So I run worrying.
Nina Thompson of Georgia Headley Primary, please be on standby, going to go to events. Followed by Emily Waters of George Headley, Annoying Bills. Berenica Valencia Daly of Mona Prep, and Mita Meta Monster. Please be in that line of position. Thank you.
What's the next number, please? 2133.
Okay. $21.33.
Yes. Ready.
Now on stage, please.
$33. 2133. Both in a Benz. Yeah, ready.
Please begin.
Lots of what this world gone to. YouTube and trying it. She tried so hard. It's still she has soul.
Bless
She
you.
touched the garbage from
This
her
are
people.
at the end.
And even
When?
us don't
21.33, you say?
think she's a nice answer class. But talking to her, you have to run at the first chance. She overtake from the corner and nearly killed the father. Uno, no sister, she put her order. We say uno, no sister, she put her order. We say put in a bed. We say put in a bed. Say what? Approach me, approach her as a walk me a walk. Shut up your mouth as a roach. All the way up. Get us at the end.
Thank you very much.
Eh?
Is this stage always like that way you guys can't hear them? Because it seems like everybody's
No, that me did I wonder.
That's them
No.
not talking now.
It's them. It's them. That is what. So we turn off the fan to find out the one that is the case. The fan.
Ask the teachers to tell them to talk about
No, we can't. We can't do that. No, we can't do it. So if one on we start to them.
Emily Waters, our next Annoying Bills, followed by Valencia Bailey of Mona Pratt.
Junior, una senior.
What do you call for this bag?
I'm gonna get together. Because Miss call her name, but we're not get the call. What's the call, Miss?
I withdraw the statement. Hold on, Judge. I withdraw the statement.
2143.
2143.
Okay. Bills.
Annoying Bills. Ready?
Yes.
Please begin.
Stop following me, Mr. Bills. And don't stress me out. My little paycheck, yeah, stretch no more. Me a live from hand to mouth. So why this is light bill? I say no more pressure. Every day, sharing meter without measure. Big son, Mr. Waterbill. Let me can't take long bags and turn on the grills. My head a hot me. But say my head a hot me. My have to take one heap of pills. Wanna stop follow me? We need a break. Please lower the cost, whatever it takes. As one on the call, the next one at that fire yard. That's why some of it up to a wire on the GPS line. But now go back. But some now go back to the primitive days. Remember African water from the head like we are slaves. Do me a beg on the please. Let up. Friends pay them high bills. Me, no avatar.
Thank you.
Pause for a while here, but insert that.
Yeah.
So what?
Pause for the minister.
Pause for the minister. We pause now?
Here.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Alright, we'll just charge a little bit in the meantime. Live.
I would imagine.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I would imagine.
Valencia Daly on stage with I Might Have Met a Monster, followed by Khalida Johnston of George Henry Primary, Honors Turn 18, Elijah Wood, Mona Prep. You're next.
What's the number?
Okay. 3170.
31-3.
3170.
31-7-0.
3170. I might have met a monster.
Yes.
I might have met a monster.
Begin, please. Thank you.
No. I did not know. No. Right. What's the number?
3339.
How much?
339.
3339.
Yeah, that's 3339.
39.
Khalida Johnson, you're next on stage. Elijah Woods, please be on standby, followed by Brooklyn
I'm charging
Richards.
the door. I'm not shut that.
Please begin.
Manners turn 18 and gone through the door by Angolis. No
telling you.
Keep just staring at your face. I'm not say morning anymore. This world has gone mad. Them bounce it up and step on you like wild hog. Them not say please and thanks anymore. For them, they say them have the right to think for sure. If you ever step on somebody and say sorry, them will call you strange. Them treat you like say you're mad, sick, or deranged. This is 21st century generation don't see the need for our manners, man. If you walk in a classroom, come up with context, take out themselves one, and not talk and not text. Teacher up on one side, and I look the people them, name brand bag, not having any book, them step outside, cause them run things. Man has gone through and take wings. Man has really turned 18 and gone through the door. It's said it's irrelevant, so it gone explore.
You know. Have one. Minus of food, eh? Minus of food.